How much freedom do I have when I'm on parole? Parole restrictions. The majority of offenders eagerly accept parole in order to gain release from prison prior to the expiration of their court-imposed sentence. Two things should be considered. Parole is not a right, and there are specific terms that must be complied with, or parole can be revoked. I was just released on parole. As long as I don't break any laws, I can pretty much come and go as I please, right? No, that's not correct. Initially, you have to report to your parole officer, or PO, soon after your release from prison. By the terms of your release, you're obligated to inform your PO where you live and where you work, including any change in either one. Furthermore, you're required to receive permission for travel outside a specific mile radius or if you wish to leave the county or state where you were released. My PO is constantly telling me to come into his office. Do I have to listen to him? A general term of parole is that you must follow your PO's instructions. A specific condition is that if you fail to report when told to report, a warrant can be issued for your arrest. Your best bet is to establish credibility with your PO by strictly complying with all his requests from the beginning, and in time he will learn to trust you and back off. I was pulled over while driving. When the officer found out I was on parole, he frisked me and searched my car without my permission. Is that legal? Yes. When you signed the document outlining your conditions of parole, you implicitly gave your consent to be searched at any time, for any reason, with or without a warrant. This implied consent search can be conducted by a parole officer or a police officer. Contact a criminal lawyer. If you're faced with a possible parole violation, there's no time to waste. A parole violation has a faster timeline and requires a lower standard of evidence than your original criminal case. Speak with an experienced criminal lawyer.